This week's how-to video is how to do a really easy basic hem by hand. I'm just going to quickly press my seam open so it lays flat. And then I don't need a big seam, so I'm rolling it about 1/4 inch and then 1/4 inch again. Obviously you can have deeper hems or even narrower hems depending on what you need. And for this, I'm not even going to bother to hem it. It's such a short piece. Unplug the iron before I forget. And then I'm going to take my first stitch, lock it in, and then we're just going to do a basic whip stitch. So I catch a little bit of the bottom and a little bit of the hem. And normally you would do this with white thread, but I'm doing colored thread so it shows up on camera better and you can see. And if you pull it too tight, just smooth it back. No big deal. Make sure you catch all your layers here at the seam. And I'm not going all the way across. But that is how you do a simple whip stitch for a hem. And then I just take a couple of tiny stitches to knot my thread so it doesn't come loose. And that is how you whip stitch in a hem.